Have you ever sat behind the wheel and felt like your car's holding back? Like it wants to go full beast mode, but it's still wearing a leash? Today, we're taking one of America's most iconic muscle cars, the Ford Mustang, and unleashing its full, untamed potential. Because with the right mods, this pony car doesn't just gallop, it charges like a damn warhorse. The Mustang GT has power, no question, but stock? It's tamed. Built more for comfort than for car culture. It's like Ford tried to please the masses, daily drivers, rental fleets, commuters, and in the process, they dulled the blade. The engine's strong, but you barely hear it. The handling's fine, but floaty. And the design? Just enough edge to look sporty, but not enough to be intimidating. Ford gave us the bones of a beast, but if you want the bite, you've got to build it. Our vision, to pull the leash off and let this thing run wild. We're not here to turn it into a show car that's afraid of speed bumps. We're building a street animal, something with aggression, grip, and personality. Every mod has a purpose. Every choice tells a story. This is more than just upgrading specs. It's about transforming character. It should make you grin when you see it in the garage. It should make people move out of the fast lane when you appear in the rear view. First, we tackled the stance, because how your car sits says everything. 20-inch Forgestar F14S, wrapped in Michelin PS4S tires, gave us the grip and presence we needed. Wider in the rear for traction, flush in the front for style. Then we dropped the ride with BC Racing Coilovers. Adjustable ride height, customizable damping, and a whole new attitude in the corners. No more boat-like body roll, no more fender gap, you could camp in. Just clean, functional geometry that transforms how the car moves through the world. And the ride quality? Still drivable, but with enough edge to make even a grocery run feel like a warm-up lap. Looks aren't just vanity, they're identity. We went full aggression with a GT 500 inspired hood that screams airflow and intent, an RTR front splitter up front, side skirts for continuity, and a rear diffuser that means business. If the Mustang has a soul, it speaks through the exhaust. We tossed the factory system for a Borla ATAK catback with quad tips. It's loud when you want it to be, but not obnoxious. Crackles on the downshift, snarls on acceleration, and a cold start that sounds like a wake-up call. It turns every gas station stop into a concert, and every tunnel into a stage. And here's the truth, a car that sounds right, feels right, you drive differently, you walk away from it and look back every single time. Then we gave the car more air, more fuel, and more brains. Installed a JLT cold air intake and paired it with a Lund Racing Flex Fuel tune. That gives us access to E85. More octane, more power, more fun. Now we're pushing serious numbers, but more importantly, the car feels alive, responsive, urgent, like it wants to go fast, all the time. And best of all, you feel that power under your foot, not just on a dyno sheet. Speed without control is chaos, so we upgraded the stopping power. StopTech 6-piston front calipers, slotted rotors, and stainless steel brake lines give us fade-free, track-ready performance. Add in a BMR strut tower brace, and the chassis stiffens up instantly. It's tighter, more predictable, more surgical. This is what separates a fast car from a capable one. You don't just go faster, you drive harder with more confidence. Inside, we added touches that make every drive feel like an event. A red start button for drama, Alcantara wheel for grip, custom weighted shift knob to make every gear change satisfying. Add carbon accents and digital dash tweaks, and suddenly, the inside matches the energy of the exterior. This is your cockpit, not a rental, not a commuter, a machine tailored to your taste and your intent. Not every mod is flashy, some are surgical. We swapped the stock battery for an Antigravity Lithium unit, nearly 20 pounds gone, just like that. It improves turn-in, weight balance, and response, all from a part that costs less than a set of tires. And if you're chasing lap times or carving canyons, every ounce matters. Same car, same engine, but now it looks like a menace, sounds like a storm, and drives like a predator. This isn't just a Mustang, it's a statement. It tells the world who you are before you even open the door. Building a car like this is about more than numbers or parts. It's about creating something that feels like it belongs to you, something you connect with, something that pushes you to drive better, faster, harder. When you fire it up, you're not just starting a car, you're lighting a fuse. And that feeling, that's why we build. Let us know in the comments. What's your dream Mustang build? Smash that like button if you're all about clean, aggressive builds, and hit subscribe because we've got more coming that'll blow this one off the map.